Hello guys, before we start with the discussion, we just want to inform you that we have launched a very special and unique type of program which is called Excel Mains through the previous year's questions. In this program, we are going to cover the entire syllabus of GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. The philosophy behind this program is we are going to cover the syllabus not randomly but just by using or referring the previous year's questions themes, and the themes are extracted from the last 40 years of previous year's questions. There will be a live discussion, there will be a answer writing with the mentors, and the second program is the intense answer writing program, which is called Samachar Wani Plus, in which there will be a weekly classes on 10 topics which are extremely important from the UPSC mains and prelims point of view. There will be an answer writing, there will be a questions given after each and every class based on those 10 topics. So even if you are a beginner, this is a good opportunity for you to begin with the answer writing. For any further queries, or if you wish to talk with a mentor, if you have any doubts, please drop us a message on the number given below. Thank you.
Daily answer writing day. What is the day? 8, na? Topic that was given to you earlier in the day in e-library was contribution of Indians in the field of science and technology. Part of your GS3 syllabus. Second topic that was given was indigenization of technology. Both are, I think, interlinked only. So please write the question with respect to this. Indigenization of technology will propel India to a $5 trillion economy. Enumerate various such technologies in recent times and briefly explain their significance. It is for 10 marks, 150 words. Time is 6:36. 6:46 is the submission deadline. You have to mail the answer to this email ID: THEIASAKADEMIA, the IAS Akademia at gmail.com. Please start writing. Yes, anybody submitted answers?
So mailing.
Okay, please submit. Till then, let's discuss the answer. Introduction. Now, how do you write an introduction in such a question? Introduction, you have to write somewhere connecting indigenization of technology and achieving $5 trillion economy. So give me any example, recent example of how an indigenous technology is propelling. Best example is UPI, है ना? Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, has been registering over $1 billion, sorry, 1 billion transactions over its network, thereby substituting the dominance of global payment gateways like Mastercard and Visa. This can be one introduction, that you give UPI and its impact. All of you use UPI, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or another example can be like Prime Minister gave a sentence that technology is one of the most important instruments to make India
Sir, make
self-reliant. PM मोदी, आत्मनिर्भर भारत होने के लिए technology is perhaps the most important instrument that we have. That is the Prime Minister's quote. He gave this in a post budget session on technology. Okay, now it is asking enumerate such various such technologies in recent times and briefly explain their significance. So it wants to enumerate various technologies which are having indigenization and briefly explain their significance. So various indigenous technologies. Now how will you think कि किस किस सेक्टर में लिखें? इसके लिए सोचने के लिए what will help? बताइए.
So can we
Sir.
add the sector of agriculture like green
No.
revolution?
No.
Sir, I wrote about COVID-19
No, how will
vaccines.
you get, this is all random. You keep thinking agriculture, keep thinking COVID. Can we refer to our syllabus जिससे हमको एटलीस्ट वो इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजीज, कुछ टेक्नोलॉजीज के नाम मिल जाएं जिससे हम अपने
Like,
आंसर को स्ट्रक्चर कर सकें?
like in the technology, defense sector. Recently invented the
So
nuclear
how many
factory.
of you have gone through your GS3 syllabus? That is why I keep referring that please see the syllabus, है ना? तो उन्होंने क्या लिखा हुआ है, एक टॉपिक है आपके में, अवेयरनेस इन द फील्ड ऑफ आईटी, स्पेस, कंप्यूटर्स, रोबोटिक्स, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू आईपीआर. ये एक टॉपिक लिखा हुआ है. तो यहाँ से आपको बहुत सारी चीजें मिलेंगी ना, आईटी, स्पेस, कंप्यूटर, रोबोटिक्स, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. Like for example, you will write biotechnology is going to be the next instrument to propel green revolution in agriculture, है ना? तो
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सिलेबस को साइंस एंड टेक में हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, याद कर लीजिए. इफ यू रिमेंबर द सिलेबस, योर पॉइंट्स विल इंक्रीज. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल कोविड आल्सो एम्प्लॉयज, श्वेति, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, राइट? ड्रग
Yes.
रिकॉम्बिनेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज एक्सेट्रा दैट वी आर डूइंग, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी ओनली, है ना? वैक्सीनेशन. सो वेरियस इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजी, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि एक वैक्सीन है वो चिंपैंजी चिंपैंजी के उसमें दे हैव पुट दिस वायरस, एडिनो वायरस था या कोई था, उसमें उन्होंने ये वाला वायरस दे दिया कैरियर के फॉर्म में. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑल्टरेशन हैपनिंग एट द डीएनए लेवल, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, है ना? सो वेरियस इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजीज में सबसे पहले सबसे आसान लिखने में आएगा स्पेस. और स्पेस में बताइए इंडिजिनाइजेशन किस किस का किया है हमने? फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज क्रायोजेनिक इंजन.
Yes, sir.
एग्जांपल जीएसएलवी Mark 2, 3, etc. will carry heavy payloads to space. Cryogenic engine हो गया space में. What else? Are we going to send our own manned mission to moon? Gagan, Gaganyaan. India's manned mission to moon. 1.3 hypersonic reusable test launch vehicles. What is the impact of hypersonic reusable test launch vehicles? It will reduce the cost of launch. Yes. And make space, fulfill social objectives. हम बार बार सेम सैटेलाइट से सॉरी सेम लॉन्च व्हीकल से वी विल बी एबल टू सेंड सैटेलाइट्स फॉर मे बी टेकिंग टेलीमेडिसिन एक्सेट्रा टू रूरल एरियाज. उसके लिए एक सैटेलाइट लगा देंगे, कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट लगा देंगे टू टेक कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क्स टू अनकनेक्टेड एरियाज, है ना. और कोई स्पेस में बताना चाहे, वरना ठीक है. 3 पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ से पॉइंट्स देखिए. स्पेस हो गया, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी, कंप्यूटर्स, आईटी एंड कंप्यूटर्स में व्हाट अबाउट इन आईटी एंड कंप्यूटर्स, क्या किया हमने?
UPI and RuPay, sir.
ओके, यूपीआई एंड रुपए, decentralized payment ecosystem and reduced cost of transactions. Yes. What else?
Hello guys, before we start with the discussion, we just want to inform you that we have launched a very special and unique type of program which is called Excel Mains through the previous year's questions. In this program, we are going to cover the entire syllabus of GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. The philosophy behind this program is we are going to cover the syllabus not randomly but just by using or referring the previous year's questions themes, and the themes are extracted from the last 40 years of previous year's questions. There will be a live discussion, there will be a answer writing with the mentors, and the second program is the intense answer writing program which is called Samachar Wani Plus, in which there will be a weekly classes on 10 topics which are extremely important from the UPSC mains and prelims point of view. There will be a answer writing, there will be a questions given after each and every class based on those 10 topics. So even if you are a beginner, this is a good opportunity for you to begin with the answer writing. For any further queries, or if you wish to talk with a mentor, if you have any doubts, please drop us a message on the number given below. Thank you.
What else in IT and computers?
Jandhan Aadhaar.
Superconductors.
Which one?
Superconductors.
Superconductors. Anything in superconductors?
Supercomputers.
Supercomputers. Yes, National Supercomputer Mission, you can say. And it will help in the prediction of, so for example, Mihir and Pratyush supercomputers में लिख लीजिए.
Internet of Things.
हाँ, correct. Mihir and Pratyush, these are supercomputers. IMD uses to predict monsoon and early warning systems. Okay. What else? India is working on blockchain technology. For example, any example you can give blockchain for blockchain technology? For example, land records digitization through blockchain technology. What else? चलिए, IT and computers में, or you can keep adding. You may have your own unique examples also in this. Research and development में R&D, there is physics neutrino observatory. This will help in bringing in a scientific ecosystem. There is Genome India initiative. Genome India initiative will help in understanding neglected tropical diseases, endemic diseases of India. Okay. Then quantum computing mission. For cyber security and next stage of communication. Acha, IT and computer mein one important thing I forgot. Please write that. 5G. 5G is very important for IT and computer. 2.4 में 5G लिख लीजिए, उसका significance एक line में लिख लीजिए. 5G is the backbone of Internet of Things and next IT revolution, industrial revolution. Okay. Then in the field of medicine and health, what is the indigenization? Yes, vaccine, indigenous vaccine for COVID. Give me examples of indigenous vaccine.
Covishield, Covaxin.
Covaxin, yes. At less than 1/6 of the cost of Western developed vaccines. India became the pharmacy of the world and was able to contain COVID spread in India. Then what about digital monitoring of health or digital surveillance? So there is Arogya Setu.
Telemedicine schemes also.
Telemedicine scheme, which one? Arogya Setu for health surveillance. And it is an open source platform. मेडिसिन एंड एजुकेशन लिख लीजिए यहाँ पे. एजुकेशन में बताइए. मॉक massive open online courses, Swayam Prabha, etc. Largest network of online courses. You can also give example of QR codes developed by Ranjit Desale. You remember this person? He got the prize from UNICEF, right? A teacher from Maharashtra who developed QR code so that the students who miss classes, especially the girl child, they could get the lessons, right? नहीं पता है? I'll show you. So this is about medicine. Then defense and manufacturing. Somebody had said defense sector. So write what in defense? Tejas to secure India's own fighter aircraft. What else in defense?
BrahMos.
BrahMos is there. Yes, you can write BrahMos. Then train 18 or the Vande Bharat kind of trains. India's indigenous semi-high speed trains. To increase the pace of transport and communication. Okay, so you can similarly write in biotechnology.
Energy में भी है ना sir?
Correct. Energy में BS6 engines etc. are coming and national
Maintenance.
hydrogen. National
Solar
Hydrogen Mission. Yes, you can write National Hydrogen Mission is there. Biotechnology में
genetic engineer,
which one?
genetic engineering,
Genetic engineering example. There is BT cotton, BT mustard, BT brinjal. So in agriculture, to make it climate resistant, example, BT cotton. Okay. Other examples you can give, for example, drone technology is there, nanotechnology is there in precision medicine delivery, etc. Now, conclusion mein, what? Don't write the word conclusion, but you can write several government schemes.
So then national infrastructure pipeline we can write.
National infrastructure pipeline with respect, that will be for economics, not for science and tech.
No, sir,
You
in
can write,
conclusion, I mean.
you can write, several, you can write about national, this BharatNet, National Optical Fiber Mission. Several government schemes to propel the science and technology in India. You can write any scheme, hackathon, Atal Innovation Mission. कोई भी 2-4 स्कीम के नाम लिख दीजिए, किरण, etc, etc. Or you can write this, that if India needs to become the next powerhouse and reach $5 trillion economy, our per capita, our spending in R&D or science and tech has to increase from 0.67% of the GDP to reach the levels of Korea and Israel, which spend 3% and 6%. Okay, so that will be the conclusion. एंड इसके बीच में आप बहुत सारे टेक फील्ड्स को लिख सकते हैं, बहुत सारे फील्ड्स को आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, एग्जांपल्स आपके चेंज हो जाएंगे. दिस इज टोटली डिपेंडिंग ऑन which sectors you want to write. Okay, but in general science and technology में you get the ideas from your syllabus. Okay, now let us check one answer.
सर मैंने ऐसे पैनल करके तो नहीं लिखा है, कैटेगरी करके.
How many words the question is? 150 words. Indigenization of technology refers to art of having own homegrown technology which can become the foundation. Good. Okay, definition of indigenization technology. Therefore, indigenization of technology holds the key to, this is repetition of the question. So you are losing here words, time, and marks. All these three things not required. Therefore, this is what they are writing. Indigenization is key to propel India to 5. They are not debating this issue. So why do you need to write therefore indigenization is there?
Okay, sir.
Indian recovery from COVID-19 example where homegrown vaccines developed the country. Not write the example. Don't write English. This is a science and technology answer, not English answer. Example लिखिए, जैसे कोवैक्सीन, और वो आपको पता है कोविशील्ड, राइट? कोवैक्सीन एंड कोविशील्ड आपने कहाँ तक लिखा है? इंडियंस वर स्ट्रगलिंग, अदर सेक्टर्स वर स्ट्रगलिंग. हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स इज दिस? जस्ट काउंट दिस वर्ड ओनली. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33. 33 words which could be expressed in less than 5 words, 5 to 7 words. क्या लिखना था बस? Covishield and Covaxin, India's indigenous technology, saved India and the world from impact of COVID. International Solar Alliance, very good. Science and technology in fighting environment. Okay, India's greatest contribution. ये सब English मत लिखिए. Why do you keep writing these things after me repeatedly telling not to write? आपने ये पॉइंट लिख दिया. I understood the significance. India's greatest contribution to world in areas of renewable energy hold the key to future oriented growth of energy sector. How many marks will I be able to give you for these things? ये जो आपने लिखा है, is it important for me? या तो आप लिखिए इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस, क्लाइमेट चेंज, it will prevent the rise to it will stop the rise to under 1.5 degrees Celsius. India's INDCs, It will help India to adhere to the targets it has uphold for itself in INDC. ऐसी बातें लिखिए. No English in science and tech. Then क्या लिखा है? When climate change is challenging the world. Okay. India's homegrown IT has enabled its IT sectors. रुपए good. जैम की फोटो बना दीजिए. राइट. आधार, जनधन एंड मोबाइल एंड जस्ट राइट द साइंस इन ऑल द थ्री. तो वो थोड़ा सा बेटर लगेगा और कम वर्ड्स में एक्सप्रेस हो जाएगा. The push for indigenous growth of sectors connecting infrastructure and department through common pipelines form the basis of heralding smart city. Okay, you basically want to say infrastructure is a prerequisite, है ना? Okay, that's what you want to say.
Yes, sir.
Thus, for India to grow, the ongoing fourth industrial revolution focused on homegrown technology propels. Again, repetition of the introduction. So you have written some very good points, but because you are writing so much of sentences, you have only written 4 points. Now I have to give, this is for 10 marks. I have to give half marks for introduction, half for conclusion. I have to give 9 marks for your body. For your 4 points, how many marks can I give? So that is my limitation, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So please correct it. You have lost more than 3 marks because more number of points.
Yes, sir.
Do not explain points. No need for descriptive elaboration. Focus on the subject and use its keywords. 4 points are good, but it's presentation you have to improve upon. Okay.
Hello guys, before we start with the discussion, we just want to inform you that we have launched a very special and unique type of program which is called Excel Mains through the previous year's questions. In this program, we are going to cover the entire syllabus of GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. The philosophy behind this program is we are going to cover the syllabus not randomly but just by using or referring the previous year's questions themes, and the themes are extracted from the last 40 years of previous year's questions. There will be a live discussion, there will be a answer writing with the mentors, and the second program is the intense answer writing program which is called Samachar Wani Plus, in which there will be a weekly classes on 10 topics which are extremely important from the UPSC mains and prelims point of view. There will be an answer writing, there will be a questions given after each and every class based on those 10 topics. So even if you are a beginner, this is a good opportunity for you to begin with the answer writing. For any further queries or if you wish to talk with a mentor, if you have any doubts, please drop us a message on the number given below. Thank you.